Hey guys, it's Michelle Talley here with the Talley team from Homes in Lynchburg, Mark A. Dalton and Company. We are here today with Carrie Mattox from Allstate. She is a fantastic business person. She offers all kinds of insurance that she's going to tell you about, as well as our personal insurance. Josh and I trust her with our lives. So we are excited to talk with Carrie today, and she's going to tell you a little bit about what she offers, as well as what she does in her fun spare time.
Yeah.
And let's start off with that. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Oh, well, I am married, have a wonderful husband named Jeremy, and we have a 2-year-old little girl, and she keeps us very busy.
Yeah.
We have active little dogs at home, and, we love spending time with our friends and family, and, of course, we love cookouts and going to the movies and all that fun stuff. So we just like hanging out with our friends and family. That's the biggest thing.
Awesome.
A lot of downtime.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about your business and where you're located and what your hours are and all that good stuff. Maybe how you got started too.
Okay. Obviously we're with Allstate. We're on Old Horse Road, and my grandfather actually started this agency. He was an Allstate agent for 25 years prior to him retiring. I took over his practice in 2008. I have been with him. I have been doing insurance since I was 18 years old. So very long time, have a lot of experience. My uncle was actually here as well, so we keep it in the family.
Awesome.
So we've got a lot of knowledge here, and a lot of our ladies here have been doing insurance for a very long time as well. So
great. Tell us a little bit about what kind of insurance policies you offer here.
We do a lot of things. We, of course, we do your auto, and your homeowners, and your boats, and your motorcycle. But we also do life insurance and retirement planning. We have a guy here who works with our customers to help them with their financial needs as well. So we do a lot of things. We want to be that trusted advisor for our customers.
Awesome.
So that's, we pretty much want to be that one-stop shop.
Great.
For their clients.
And so tell me, is there a benefit to somebody if they, let's say they're coming to you for homeowners insurance, but they have their car insurance somewhere else? Is there a benefit if they bundle together?
It is. It is a benefit. You do get discounts for that.
Awesome.
And it's nice to have your insurance. When you're a homeowner, there's a lot of important things to really think about as far as your auto policy. A lot of people don't realize your liability limits. If you don't have enough liability and you were to have a really serious car accident, your equity in your home could be jeopardized. And I don't know about you, Michelle, but that's scary.
Yeah.
So it's good to, in my opinion, I think, to have all of your insurance in one place where you have that trusted advisor who has your best interests taken care of. Because your home is your biggest asset, and you want to make sure that that's taken care of.
Right.
In the event that something tragic happens, and definitely bundling does save you money.
Like that.
But most important, it's good to make sure you have the right liability.
Awesome. So sounds to me like whether you're buying or selling, refinancing, or even if you just want to stay put in your house, that it's probably always a good idea to maybe shop around and get that quote from you.
Most definitely.
And make sure that you've got the best deal going right now.
That's right.
Right. Awesome.
Yes.
Okay, so what would you say is the average cost for homeowners insurance or rental insurance?
Renter's insurance is very inexpensive. Normally, I would say renters roughly could average, say, $14 a month.
Wow.
Very inexpensive.
Yeah.
It all depends too on your coverages and how much you need.
Sure.
Homeowners, again, depends on your coverages. I would say usually $358 to $500 usually on average premium. It depends on your area.
Now, is that per year or every 6 months?
Per year.
Okay.
So both of your renters and homeowners is a year policy.
Great.
So, yeah. And it does depend on where you live, your claim history. So a lot of things go into that rate.
That's okay. So that just made me think of another question. on the real estate side of things when we have heard in the past from folks that if there is a buyer looking at a house that has had a fire in the house, does that claim stay with the house or does it stay with the owner? Like, in other words, if I wanted to buy a house and I found out that there was a fire there, would that affect my insurance?
It would not.
Okay.
We would see it. It would show up. We would see it, but it would not affect your premium. It does. It would follow the owner.
Okay.
But one of the things that to really think about when you're buying a house is the age of the roof.
Why is that important?
The newer the roof, the better the rate. So just something with us, with Allstate, we really like new roofs.
Yeah.
And we love metal roofs. So, just something to think about. So if you're ever planning on getting a new roof or doing any type of major renovations like that, make sure you let your insurance agent know because you might be able to get a little better rate on your policy. And sometimes it's pretty significant, especially if you're just getting a new roof.
Yeah. Well, that's a great point because Josh and I just put a brand new deck on our house as well as built a detached shed. And gosh, do we just love it. And we hope to enjoy it for many years to come. But it just occurred to us while we were here today to have you look at that and add that to our policy. So don't forget, if you do renovations or additions, come talk to Carrie and get some quotes on that because it really was not what it was, $30 extra a year.
Yeah,
I mean, it was
very
nothing.
little. Yeah,
so totally worth it.
And a lot of people don't realize that. They don't think about the importance of updating your policy, and it's really important. And some of these improvements really can save you money.
Sure.
So it's worth it to go talk to your insurance agent, even if it's not me. I want it to be me, but even if it's not, it's definitely to your benefit to at least get that annual review.
Awesome. And I will say that's one thing that Allstate and Carrie do really, really well is they send us a reminder once a year to come in and talk and just, make sure we have everything that we need. As well as not just for homeowners and car, but also, if we needed life insurance or whatever else that she offers, for sure. Definitely. Awesome. And then one last question. What is your, do you have a favorite business book or a book for that matter that maybe has impacted your life in some way?
Oh.
Because we love to read.
Probably the latest read is From Good to Great.
Oh, sure, yeah. Okay.
But lately what I've been doing a lot of is honestly like motivational CDs in my car.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, we want to thank you so much for taking some time with us today. And guys, we will be looking and interviewing more people throughout the year, but we wanted to kick it off with Carrie because we know how important homeowners and all those other kinds of insurances are. And can you just share one more time where you're located and how somebody can contact you if they do want to get a quote?
Definitely. So my office is at 3622 Old Forest Road, and we're in Lynchburg. So give us a call. There's 6 people in this agency. If I'm not here, definitely one of us can assist you. We're all licensed. My number is 434-384-6700.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Thank you, Carrie, so much for joining us. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.